Welcome to RC's RC Cars, the channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to take this TT-01 chassis. Originally it came with the BMW M3 body. Instead I'm going to make changes to the chassis to accommodate this Audi 90 Quattro. And the differences are the mounting holes are shorter, so we're going to need to swap these body posts. We also need to shorten the wheelbase by 6 millimeters from 257 to 251 millimeters. And the last thing we need to do is to swap these tires that go with the BMW body to the ones that I originally got for the TT-01R. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with shortening the wheelbase first. And to do that, we pretty much need to take apart the entire rear bulkhead here with the arms on the top and bottom and also the dampers. So let me just go ahead and start with that. Okay, I think that frees up the lower arms, the upper arms. And now let me go ahead and take these three out. Alright, and we have shortened the wheelbase of this TT-01 chassis. Alright, on to the next step. Let's go ahead and swap out these wheels. And finally, let's switch out these body posts. And they're going to be these right here. Alright, and that is super straightforward. And there we go. We have the body posts matching, the wheelbase is matching now, and we have saved the BMW tires for the M3. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.